Hey guys, it's been over a year since my last update. It's been quite a few changes. This is kind of a temporary yard right here. And then we come down into the grain elevator. Come around into the industrial plant here. Not sure what it's going to be yet, but I don't have a name for it. Right now I got some glycol cars sitting in there. And into the distribution plant. With some pallets and busted up pallets and stuff. And come down into Dead Short Electric. I'm not keeping the Red Wing Milling Company or the Pillsbury signs on there, but that's not finished yet. I've still got to glue it to the background. Got some scenery work I got to finish up here. Come into just a siding where you can drop stuff off. I'm not sure what I'm doing here yet. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. It's 18 inches wide by 16 feet long, or 9 feet long, sorry. Coming around. And I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the cement plant. It's a full 8 feet long. Lots of switches in there. I've had some advice on take some of those switches out. So I'm not too sure what to do there, unless I just eliminate this whole 8-foot section and move my cement plant over onto the end here with a couple of the elevators. But it's open for now. I don't run much trains around there. I just stick to the little area here that's been done. Still got to finish my fascia and stuff as well, but that'll all come in time. I'm in no rush right now. And I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the yard or not. Thanks for watching.